can't wait. I know I'm not going to Indeed. I can't with this job. Working with crazy people all the fucking time. I'm not wasting my life in a job that involves crazy people, people with mental problems. Oh, extreme ones, I should say.
FM 1530 AM. This report is sponsored by Pfizer. Beware if you are 60 or older, you may be at increased risk of hospitalization from RSV, respiratory syncytial virus. Not all dangers come with warning labels. Talk to your pharmacist or doctor about getting vaccinated against RSV today. Learn more at bewareofrsv.com. Mostly clear tonight, overnight lows mid-30s, areas of frost between 3 a.m. and 10 a.m. tomorrow. Sunny tomorrow with a high near 60. For more weather information, tune to KFBK News Radio.
Extra cash? Coming right up. Happy Money is letting you in on a happier way to elevate your savings with an incredible certificate offered by Alliant Credit Union. Smart, bold, and straightforward. Alliant offers a 12-month certificate with 5.25 APY annual percentage yield with a low minimum deposit of $1,000. Funds are insured up to $250,000. Best of all, anyone can apply to join. Elevate your savings today. Visit happymoney.com/Alliant. That's ALLIANT. The APY is accurate as of the 11/1/2023 dividend declaration date. Early withdrawal penalties do apply. Fees may reduce earnings on the account. Any monthly withdrawals or transfers reduce earnings.
Let's go.
Oh, great. I'm not answering that. Not answering her call. Not answering. Sorry. Not fucking answering. Driving. Not answering that. I'm on my way. I'm not gonna fucking...
Points at Jackson. Multiply your rewards points up to 10 times with our bountiful multiplier every Sunday and Wednesday, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Let's go. We did it again. Jackson has once again been crowned the best hotel in Amador. Book your stay today for as low as $139 and never pay resort fees or taxes. Let's go. Jackson Rancheria Casino Resort, located in beautiful Amador County. Let's go. Broadcasting from the Big Mountain Heating and Air Studios.
I got smart about mortgages. Now it's my house I go home to.
I got smart about credit cards. Now paper or plastic has a whole new meaning.
When it comes to your money, whatever you want to get smart about, you can find it at smartaboutmoney.org. Smartaboutmoney.org is a free online resource from the National Endowment for Financial Education. We're an independent nonprofit foundation dedicated to helping people just like you get sound information about money. Smartaboutmoney.org. It's the easy place to start when you want to get smart.
Think for yourself. Talk 650 KSTE. Live from the headquarters of Ramsey Solutions in Nashville, Tennessee, it's the Ramsey Show, where we help people build wealth, get out of debt, do work that they actually contribute to and they love, and we help people create incredible relationships. I'm John Deloney, don't even know my own name, joined by George Campbell, and we're taking your calls on money, life, emotional, mental health. Both of us have been walking alongside hurting people, trying to figure out what's the next right step for years and years and years, and we're live talking to real people going through real challenging times. 888-825-5225. It's 888-825-5225. Let's go out to my hometown, H-Town, and talk to Christopher. What's up, Christopher?
Hey, how's it going?
We're doing good, man. What's up?
Pretty good. So I'm in a relationship right now. Everything's going great, and I'm planning on proposing maybe in the next 2 weeks.
All right, dude. Congratulations.
Thank you. So there's a little dilemma, I guess. So
I love engagement dilemma. Bring it on.
Alright, so I was in a relationship previously before the one I'm in now, and I was engaged to the girl, and she gave me back an engagement ring.
Oh, don't do it! Don't do it!
I was thinking about just using that same engagement ring.
No! Dude,
I just don't.
does your girlfriend know about this past engagement?
No.
Oh boy. Okay, number one, have that combo first.
Oh no. She knew I was she knew I was engaged before. Yeah. She
So
knew
do you not
that.
think she's gonna, her first question's gonna be, wait, is that the ring from...
I know. I just don't want to spend extra money on it because I've been going to different.
The moment you slide that ring on her finger, her finger will catch fire.
Okay.
Like, it will just electrocute her, and then by proxy, you'll end up dead. That's how this will work. Dude, don't do this. You're gonna lose your, like, both butt cheeks when you resell this ring. You will lose your butt. And that's okay.
Okay.
It's called a sucks tax, and just spend it, dude. Do not re-gift an engagement ring.
Okay.
It's just too much bad juju. And I'm not very, I'm not that guy, John. I don't do the whole, astrology and all this stuff. I'm like, well, I just feel like there's too much sentimental value tied up in this ring from a past relationship that fell apart, that didn't work out. You're going to be feeling that emotionally. She's going to be thinking that in the back of her head, and then it's going to spark a giant fight, and you're going to have to get a new ring anyways. And you better hope that relationship even survives that fight. I don't know I don't think either of John and I's wives would react kindly if that was the situation. And I think that would be my wife's first question.
It just kills me to spend more money, but okay.
You know what's going to kill you also? Your fiance. When she finds out that you got a ring. Except she's going to kill you for real. What's a new ring going to cost?
Well, I guess I'll probably get another one for $2K to $3K.
Does it have to be a 3K ring?
I think so. Probably something decent, I guess.
I don't know, man. They've got some rings out there these days on Etsy that are gorgeous, and they're not, a full carat real diamond. It might be moissanite or something, but I think it's more about the thoughtfulness behind it versus, and especially not giving her a real diamond ring that was meant for a real past fiance.
Okay, yeah.
I think a fake ring any day over that.
I'm just almost at the $50,000 mark at savings, and it's just to see that I'll be going
You have $50,000 in savings?
I have $48,000, almost at $50,000.
Chris, why are you calling us? Chris, what are you doing with your life, man? Future, she's gonna be, can we go on the vacation? And you're like, I almost have $50,000 in savings, woman, leave me alone. But I had this coupon left over from my last relationship. I know. Let's call my ex's father-in-law. He has a bedroom we can rent out. Like, for real, dude. Man.
Okay.
I'd bite the bullet and get that new ring and sell the old one for what you can get for it. Hey, listen, like, this is just like a straight up, like, I grew up in Houston. Do you not have some, like, buddies there that you could have run this question by that would have just knocked you upside the head?
Well, yeah, I do, but they love to spend money, so I didn't really...
That's fair. That's fair. I support that, then. Thanks for calling two wise guys. And ask any woman. That's also a good indicator. I'm pretty sure 99.9% would say, yeah, don't do that. I'm gonna do a litmus test. There is one woman on the front row in the studio audience. Are we right? Okay, she's two thumbs up. So, and she's got a ring on her finger, so she's got experience. Yes. So, thank you, man, for that. No matter what, don't. Oh, jeez, don't. Hey, George, this is awesome. Not only are we helping people get out of debt, we are now saving lives and preventing homicide. Yes. We're doing it. Preventing homicide was a stretch, but I like it. I like where you're going with it. I'm sweating even thinking about proposing to Whitney with a previous... Oh, my gosh. I can't breathe, John. That's a lot for me. Let's go out to... James, can you take another call? Sure. Dad said yes. Let's go out to Dusty in Boise. What's up, Dusty?
Hi, how are you?
Phenomenal. What's up?
Okay, my question is, just last week for Thanksgiving, my dad gifted my husband and I a house mortgage-free. So we are currently living in a house. Yes!
Wow, not even Christmas. My dad gave me a FaceTime. Wow.
I know. We were bawling our eyes like little babies, so it was pretty cool. But we're living in a house right now. We owe $200,000 on it still, but we're wondering if we should move into the mortgage-free house and rent this one out, or if we should sell this and with the profit we make, pay off our debt, and then put the rest away in an account that accrues over years. We don't know what to do at all.
I like that plan, because if you keep this mortgage, move into the mortgage-free house, you're still in debt. Doesn't really solve your debt problem.
Yes, we have about $30,000 in debt.
Okay. And what's your household income?
It's about, so he is salary. After taxes, we bring home about $4,500 a month.
Okay. Now, being mortgage-free, you should be able to pay off this consumer debt fairly quickly, I imagine, with no mortgage, right?
Yes.
So I would crunch the numbers, and if you wanted to keep this house as a rental, you just have one mortgage hanging around, I would still want to aggressively pay that off, because I don't like investment property that has mortgages attached, but that's one option. I think the option that will give you more freedom and more peace right now would be to sell it and move into this home.
Okay.
Are there any tax implications with moving into this home?
Do that instantly.
I'm so sorry. Say that one
Are
more
there
time.
tax implications of inheriting this home while he's still alive?
Nope.
I would just want to make sure of that, because
tax
you may have to pay the capital gains on that, and I would talk to a tax pro. You can connect with one at RamseySolutions.com just to make sure your I's are dotted and T's are crossed on this financial transaction.
And sometimes gifts are incredible, and they're life-changing, and they're not what's best for our family. So make sure before you just go running to move into this house, it works for you and your family for a season. But yeah, I'd sell my house, take the equity, pay off all my debts, be completely free of everything.
Tell you a true story. I got a letter from Fran in Virginia once. She and her husband Gary were loaded down with debt. They decided to get serious and worked for over 2 years to pay off $65,000. They were able to buy their dream home. Gary had just started a new job and things were looking really good. 6 months later, Gary unexpectedly died. Wow, tears my heart out. Besides the grief and shock, Fran had no income, was on her own. Her Social Security benefits couldn't pay the mortgage. Talk about feeling lost and alone. The only good part of the story is that Gary had term life insurance through Xander. So Fran was able to deal with her grief without being overwhelmed with money issues. Sad story, but I share it with you to make a point. For over 25 years, I've been telling you about the importance of term life insurance and protecting your family. Having life insurance is what responsible people do for their families. It's why I tell you every day to go to Xander.com or call them at 800-356-4282.
Nice, bitch. You treat me bad. You treat me bad, and I'll work with you, but other than that, no. Nice, sweet. Yeah, no.
And right now, you can get an entire year of premium features for just $49.99. To get the deal, head over to everydollar.com/Black Friday. That's everydollar.com/Black Friday.
Don't make things harder than they need to be. Like when I got my first will. My estate really wasn't that complex, but I hired an attorney anyway, paid too much, and it took too long. That's why I recommend our Ramsey trusted provider, Mama Bear. Now you can create a will in 20 minutes on MamaBearLegalForms.com. Plus, you can save 20% with the promo code RAMSEY. Get it done today. Go to MamaBearLegalForms.com. Use the promo code RAMSEY.
This part of the building, I know that.
Updated news at the top and bottom of every hour. Now, traffic on Talk 650 KSTE and streamed on the iHeartRadio app.
Sacramento, southbound 99 before Mack Road. There's a two-car crash that appears to be partially blocking the slow lane.